In this video guide, I will share with you how to withdraw your money from Orientdig. This is the platform. So friends, log in your account. If you don't log in, you can log in from here and then go to my wallet. When you go to your my wallet, you will see this page. From here, you'll see your balance here. All you have to do, click on reimburse, this option. From here, choose your amount you want to withdraw. For example, 100 yuan, this, and then click confirm. After that, friends, you should be have amount in your balance. When you click this one, you can withdraw through your PayPal option. So friends, as I say, you can withdraw your PayPal, and then you can withdraw with your PayPal as a payment method. For example, you have here payment method, you have credit card as a payment, and you have a Visa Amex, Visa card. Write your old card here. You have Skrill, also you can withdraw with your Skrill. Just choose your amount you want to withdraw. After confirm that, choose your payment method here and write your all details. So friends, I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on another video soon.